Hey, Hello Productions 234 here, and I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to make a craft bucket server for your Minecraft. And it's pretty simple. It's going to be used off, some of this is going to be used off of Mini Tufts. I do not want to take credit for what he taught me, but he uses HAMACHI. Minitufts tutorial uses HAMACHI, and I'm going to show you how to do this without HAMACHI and no port forwarding. So that's pretty awesome. So what you're going to do here is you're going to go to Firefox, or go to the link in, or whatever you have as your web browser. Go to the link in the description. You just click the link in the description that says craftbucket.jar, and you're going to click on the download. Click OK, and it's going to download. It doesn't take that long. So while you're waiting, go to the other link in the description. It's going to bring you to like a setting up a server Minecraft wiki forum, and it should automatically bring you down to Mac OS X instructions. But if it doesn't, if it brings you like to the top, then go down a little bit and find Mac OS X instructions. Click on it, it brings you down here. Highlight this and Command C, copy it. I think I copied it twice, but who cares? Alright. Wow. Wait. Oh wait, hold on. Let me restart this again. Okay. So yeah, it's almost done, I guess. Let me just speed the video up here. Sorry about this. Okay, so it's done. That took a little longer than it usually does. So once you're done, you just, if it saves it in your downloads, just drag it onto your desktop, and you should have the code copied. Just to make sure, I'm gonna go here and paste. Okay, yeah, okay, I have it copied. So now what you're gonna want to do is you're going to want to make a new folder and call it Bukkit server, or whatever you want to call it. Like, it doesn't have to be what it's mine. You can name it server or bucket server or whatever, and drag the craft bucket 1.0.1 R2 snapshot in here. Don't worry, we're gonna get rid of that right now. See all this, the snapshot 1.02 R2 or whatever, delete that and just leave craftbucket.jar. There you go. So now we need to find a way to start this through terminal, because that really helps. It does it. Okay, so what you're gonna do now is go into text edit and paste in that code that you copied earlier, and that's basically a code saying like it can launch that thing, but we need to give it permission after this, so we're gonna do that. But first, this is just gonna help it run it. So first, we're going to see where it says craftbucket.jar. We're going, and this one says Minecraft_server.jar. So we're gonna delete that part and replace it with craftbucket.jar. Okay, craftbucket.jar. Make sure it matches up perfectly. Click format, make plain text. Okay. Now save as, or file save as. I just clicked Shift Command S. And name it start.command bucket, or bucket start dot command, because you can name anything you want. Just make sure that it has .command at the end of it, because it's a command to open that file. So click save and drag it into the Bukkit server folder. Now I like to do this so I can tell the difference, because there's going to be a lot of folders in here, so I just labeled it with blue. And so now we want this file permission to open that file. So go into terminal, or you could either type it in Spotlight or go to Applications, Utilities, Terminal. But I have it in my dock here, so I'm just going to click on that. Alright, so now what you want to type in, this is not in the description, so type in chmod space a plus x space. You need the spaces, they're important, or else the code will not work. And then just drag your bucket start.command folder in there. So let's see, chmod, just make sure it has it. Alright. Once that's done, you're going to double click on bucket start.command, and it should load up all this. And it takes a while, so we could go over something here. So if you go like this, if you check out the code that we put in bucket start.command, or whatever you named .command, it says XMX 1 GB, XMS 1 GB. That's how much RAM you're going to put into the server. I usually leave it at 1 GB, but if you want to know how much RAM you have, go to About This Mac, and I have 3 GB of RAM. Do never exceed, like, go over the amount of RAM you have, and never match the, because if I put 3 GB, my computer would be like poop. It would run really bad, because that's basically using all your RAM onto the Minecraft server. So I usually put it at 1 GB, so I still have enough to run my computer. So that's basically it for that. Alright, so now it's done. What you're going to do is type in stop, enter. And it should say stopping server, saving chunks, and process completed. So make sure, do not X out of it if it does not say process completed. It has to complete this process. Okay, so X out of terminal and come down to server properties. If it doesn't automatically open with text edit, just click open with other and find text edit. So here we go. So I usually allow another, name the world what my server is going to be called. Minecrafted. And I usually allow flight because I think it's only for admins, if I'm not correct. Wait, no, false, I don't know, but I usually allow it because people like flight, so they have to have the mod. I have it right here. So recon, don't know what that is, just keep that as false. Keep this as 25565. Whitelist false. Spawn online mode is very important. If you have Minecraft SP or really anything, I really put it as false, because then every single person can connect, and it helps a lot. So now what we're going to want to do is go to down right to the IP, and this is the important part. This is how you're going to find your IP without HAMACHI. So you're going to open up terminal, type in ifconfig, enter. And now you're going to find your IP address. It's usually right here next when it says EN1, and then it says iNet, and that's your IP address. So we're going to want to copy that and paste it in there. There's your server IP. And right here, mot t. That's what basically what it's gonna, like, you know how some people have like a whole like line of, like, they have a whole sentence under where it says like if you name the server Minecraft server, under it they'll have like whatever, this is the best server ever. Well, that's this like the signature you're gonna have. So I'm gonna put that as you got Minecrafted. And so now you're just gonna save that, X out of it, X out of this, and there you go. There's your server. If you want to be the op, then just go into ops.txt, type in your name. I have kind of a stupid name. Save it. Alright, and now go to bukkitstart.command, run it. And it's going to take a little bit of time, but not a lot, because you have the IP in there now. So we could X out of this, wait till it's done. Doesn't take that long. I mean, it doesn't take like an hour or 4 hours. So it's not that bad. Alright, it's almost done, and there, done. Now you're gonna open up your Minecraft. There we go. Click enter game. Wait, oh, sorry about that. And there we go. Now what you're gonna go into is multiplayer and type in your IP address. Click add server address, and let's see. Go to Bukkit server properties. There we go. Copy your server IP. Copy. You paste it in here by clicking Control-Command-V, and then it pastes it in here. It's kind of weird. And click done. And then right here it says you got Minecrafted. That's what I was talking about. Like this one right here and that one right here. I'm going to delete that one. Alright, so now click join server, and you should automatically be op, and your server is successfully running. And here we are. And let's do a little test here, because I've been wondering something. Turn the volume down. Let's see if an admin places 2 blocks. Now let me de-op myself. De-op. Bobocus. You're no longer op. Now let's see if I tried to destroy those blocks. Oh, it works. So this is basically like a free build server. You can do really anything you want. Alright, wait. Hold on, it's not letting me destroy that. Oh yeah, it doesn't let you destroy some blocks. Yeah, if you're not like if you're not admin, it won't let you destroy some blocks in here. I think I'll be able to fix it. I don't know how. But so I guess you have to be admin to destroy them. Let's see. Nope. Okay, some blocks you do not have to. Some blocks you can destroy. Some blocks you can't. Because I guess you don't have permission, because it might be somebody else's territory. Because if they like start building there, I guess it won't let you interfere with that. Like, so basically there's like no griefing in this server. So thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and bye.